Hey, this is Randall. I just got an email asking for some help making icons on your website for Google Sites that would allow students to click on it and go to a different page. So I wanted to give a quick introduction on how to do that. So this site was being made by a colleague of mine. It looks very nice. I like the backgrounds, colors, but she wants to be able to click on reading, for example. And right now I'm trying to click on that, but nothing happens. So how would you make that an interactive link? Really easy. So I'm going to go exit out of the preview mode that she had for the site. Now, so this is the language arts page. The first thing you have to do is come over here and click on the little three dots by that and add a subpage. So let's add a subpage for reading. So you have your new reading subpage. And if you look up here on the menu, you can now go to reading up here. It appears in the menu. But let's go to that page and right click on it. Let's see, first publish the page. Just a second. Go up here to the top and get the copy published link and copy that. So I did a Control-C to copy. Go back over to the language arts page that you had at the original. Slide down here to the reading icon and click on it. And then right up here, you'll see a link. Put the link in here. Control-V to apply it. And now let's try that out. So I'm going into preview again. Slide down here. Let's see. There you go. Slide down. And I click on reading. And it takes me to the reading page. That's all there is to it. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.